Searches surge 1,000%. Resale prices hit £1,000? What's the magic behind this suddenly trending iPhone 4? While everyone debates its camera, I'm going for a deeper truth, cracking it open to frame a sealed chapter of tech history. Removing these two iconic screws is like unbolting the gate to the mobile internet era. Here's where Apple taught the world a lesson in anti-tampering hardware. Look, this is its brain, the A4 chip. Here, for the first time, Apple married the CPU and GPU in a single package, laying the foundation for every iPhone performance leap to come. This little powerhouse processed your very first FaceTime call. Now, this 3.5-inch display, what Apple called the Retina screen back in 2010, at 326 pixels per inch, Steve Jobs claimed its detail surpassed the resolving power of the human eye. And this very design sparked the infamous antenna gate. Hold it here, and your signal could vanish. Jobs' legendary response: just avoid holding it that way. Now look at this tiny vibration motor, the most primitive kind of haptic feedback you could get. And right next to it, that little camera module everyone's now calling the retro magic lens. Truth is, its sensor was just too small back then, starved for light, and all those flaws accidentally became what we now call character. So what's it really worth? That depends entirely on how much history you see packed inside.